Vinayak Agarwal wants to know what strategy should he follow while investing to create an emergency corpus. Should he invest in liquid funds or ultra short-term funds as he's looking for good returns in a short term?
Well, the first thing that I like to point out is that for your emergency corpus, the most important or the top criteria should be liquidity and safety of your capital. So returns as a criteria is always secondary. So he should not focus too much on returns, because otherwise he may just end up choosing riskier funds, which may not be suitable for this kind of allocation. That's one. Now, liquid funds are ideally the most suitable category among mutual funds for emergency corpus, because they have all the tenets, all the attributes that you need from a fund for this kind of an allocation. But having said that, as I've mentioned earlier, that these days a lot of liquid funds are yielding somewhat similar returns to that of a savings bank account. So some investors wonder what's the merit in giving away the surety of a savings bank account for a liquid fund when the returns are somewhat similar. And this may just continue for another 2-3 quarters at least down the line. And this is in sharp contrast to earlier times when liquid funds could yield meaningfully higher returns over and above your savings bank account, and therefore they made a lot of sense. So for those investors who would like to optimize their returns from this allocation a little bit, and who do not mind a slightly higher degree of volatility, can consider moving a part of this allocation to ultra short duration funds as well. But for most of the other investors, liquid funds or even their bank account can continue to be a preferred choice for keeping this allocation.